Welcome to the 5-day reset. I am Dr. Karen, and I have the pleasure of sharing with you all about the 5-day reset. We are going to be talking about what it is, how it works, what is in each kit, how to personalize it with 2 choices of kits, your daily routine, what that looks like, snack suggestions while you're doing the 5 days, tips for success, because that is always helpful, and healthy lifestyle tips while you're doing reset. And then, of course, we'll talk very briefly about what happens after the 5 days. So let's get started. This 5 days is a very simple approach to help you make a clean break from the effects of unhealthy foods. And you will jump start into healthy eating habits. So as you can see, it is simple. It gives you a clean break. You are going to be helped with the healthy food options, and it is a great jump start. So we are going to stop those cravings and jump start to a healthier weight. And yes, we are going to be breaking up with sugar. So let's look at what is in each kit. I like to break it down to the 3 M's: the macronutrients, the micronutrients, and the microbiome support. And we are going to walk through each of these so you fully understand each of these areas. So this 5 days is really designed to give you this clean break from unhealthy foods. And you're going to be replacing your meals, so that's 3 meals a day, with these delicious, satisfying Nutri-Meal shakes. And you also have the option of eating 2 healthy whole food snacks. And we're going to be giving you ideas of what they would be. You'll be taking 2 health packs a day, both AM and PM, and we'll explain what they are. And the USANA probiotic, which is the microbiome support. Now, in case we forget, we have to remind you that you drink lots of water throughout these 5 days, get good quality sleep, 7 to 9 hours, and low to moderate impact exercise. So personalization, you get to choose your 5-day reset. There are 2 kits. One is called the 5-day reset weight loss jumpstart, and the other is the 5-day Nutri-Meal free reset kit. And we're going to be explaining the difference of each of these. So the first one, option 1, the 5-day reset weight loss jump start. Now in this kit, you're going to get 15 Nutri-Meal single serving packs. You will have 8 Dutch chocolate, which are both soy and whey protein, and the 7 French vanilla, which is the soy-based protein. This is low glycemic, so this will help you reduce those carbohydrate cravings, and it gives you sustained energy, and you certainly do feel very full after these shakes. Each of these shakes has 15 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber. They are low glycemic, gluten-free, and complete GMO-free protein. So this is the 5-day reset weight loss jumpstart, which is the soy and whey varieties, non-GMO. The second option is the 5-day Nutri-Meal free reset. This is for people that do not want whey. And you get 15 of the single serve packets of mild vanilla. So they are delicious. They're all vanilla. This is a plant-based shake. And each of the shakes has 17 grams of non-GMO pea and potato protein. So that is the protein. So you choose, if you want the pea and potato version, you would have this Nutri-Meal free reset kit. It's again balanced nutrition, low glycemic, and is made without added soy, dairy, eggs, or gluten. So those are your two options. Both kits have the right ratio of complete proteins, beneficial fats, and fiber. And both have low glycemic carbohydrates to help you maintain your energy levels. They are delicious. They are both delicious, creamy shakes. And they will both give you this very full feeling. And they'll give you that chance to actually cut back on your daily calories. So remember, we talked about the microbiome support. So each of the kits has 5 days of the USANA probiotic. This has 2 effective strains of probiotic bacteria, and these promote the natural balance of beneficial microflora in your gut, which supports healthy digestion and also plays a role in sustaining a healthy immune system. These are just powder packs that you open up and do not have to be refrigerated. Now, the micronutrients in each reset kit are called the health pack, and you have the AM and the PM health packs. And in each pack, you have the USANA's top rated cell essentials. These are made up of the Vita antioxidant and core minerals. You have 2 Vita antioxidants and 2 core minerals in the AM and PM packs. Also, each pack has a USANA Magna Cal D, which is magnesium, calcium, vitamin D. And each pack has a Cell Essentials booster, which is made with exclusive USANA Intelligence technology, which is a cell signaling pathway. Also in the reset kit, you will have a program guide. This is a very helpful guide that has suggestions for snacks. It has suggestions for how to be most successful. And you will want to read this guide before you start the reset. So here's what a day will look like. As we said, each of your meals is replaced by the NutriMeal shake, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So you mix the NutriMeal shake powder mix with 10 to 12 ounces of water. You can actually shake and go, or you can put it in a blender. Then you have your probiotic with your morning shake. If you forget, you can have the probiotic with your lunch shake or dinner shake, just as long as you take your probiotic with food. And you take your AM health pack with breakfast. Now, then you can have a mid-morning snack, and we're going to give you some suggestions on some snacks. Then for lunch, you take your NutriMeal shake again, mixed with 10 to 12 ounces of water. You can have an afternoon snack, and then dinner again, your NutriMeal shake and the PM health pack. You can also have salads or low glycemic vegetables with your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or in between. So that's really good. You have plenty of choices of foods. So here are some snack suggestions, which has become very popular for people to asking, what can I have as snacks? So 2 hard-boiled eggs, be great snacks, sprinkled with some salt and pepper. Some plain Greek yogurt and half a diced medium apple with some crushed walnuts. A dash of cinnamon makes that really tasty. You could have some raw almonds or a medium apple with some unsweetened almond or other nut butter. 2 large carrots and some hummus. These are great snack suggestions. And you want to have these ready before reset so you can have a good shopping list prepared for when you start reset. Some afternoon snack ideas, and of course it doesn't matter morning or afternoon, you can mix them up. Mixed green salad and a large hard-boiled egg, some chicken breast, just 2 ounces of chicken breast would be a good snack size with salad. Some water-pressed tuna and some cooked broccoli, a medium apple and some almonds, slices of turkey, and roll in some Swiss cheese. So these will help you feel fuller. If you do not feel like a snack, you don't have to have a snack. But just so you know, you will not be hungry on this program. So here are some tips for success that I always like to share with people so that you can really be prepared. Always take your supplements with food. Do not take supplements on an empty stomach. Aim for at least 64 ounces of water every day. You do want to move your body 20 to 30 minutes of low impact exercise each day, something that you enjoy. Walking is fine. Incorporate about an 8 p.m. eating cutoff time. It's really a good idea to stop eating by 8 o'clock at night. That really helps with the success of this program. And remember to get that 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, good quality sleep. And make additional healthy snacks as needed. So do not go hungry and focus on veggies as your first choice. And there are so many great vegetables you can have. Green beans, asparagus, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, eggplant, spaghetti squash. Try some new vegetables you haven't tried before. And then remember, you can have that afternoon health pack with lunch, or you can have it with dinner. So whatever you prefer, basically whatever you remember the most works the best. So here are some other great tips. It is really good to be able to start your day with a fresh glass of water. This helps flush out the digestive tract. It gets you ready to absorb your daily nutrients, and it certainly helps you feel less hungry throughout the day. So that's a really good tip to start your day with a nice glass of water. You can add some greens to your water for a flavor kick. So a lot of people say, oh, it's hard to drink all that water. Well, you could squeeze in some lime juice, some lemon juice. You could add some greens. Cucumber water is really tasty. You can add some slices of orange to your water to make it have that flavor, or you could mix it up, orange and cucumber. So give your water some flavor if that helps you get those 64 ounces a day. Now, the other thing is just to be really thinking this is a self-care week, and to, as much as possible, reduce your stress during this time. And stress can have such a huge impact on your body. So really taking time to breathe deeply, to practice some stress management techniques throughout this 5 days, and to really, as I said, make this a self-care week. And back to sleep. Sleep deprivation can play havoc to our bodies. So getting good quality sleep, or add a nap if you need to throughout the day, but getting that good quality sleep really reduces the impact of stress in your life and helps you with general well-being. And this is all part of the focus on this 5 days of a lifestyle goal. In terms of movement, getting that 20 to 30 minutes every day, this really can help you increase your metabolism, but it can also really help with flushing your body and helping the lymphatic system do its work. And I love rebounding exercises. If you happen to have a little mini trampoline or an exercise ball that you can bounce, it really does strengthen both the muscle and non-muscle cells in your body, the bones and cartilage. Every organ of your body can benefit from this rebounding. So let's talk about what happens after the 5 days, because the 5 days is a jump start. So after the 5 days, you have a choice based on what your goals are. If you want to continue to release weight, or if you want to just maintain your health and maintain your weight. So if you want to continue to lose weight, you would replace 2 meals a day with these NutriMeal shakes. And then eat one meal that is a low glycemic meal and additional snacks as you need for hunger. You would still take your supplements and probiotics, but you just want to be sure you have your supplies so that you can go straight into this plan after your 5 days. But if after the 5 days you just want to maintain, then you would replace one meal a day with a NutriMeal shake. You would still have the option of eating healthy snacks as your hunger needs, and take your supplements and take your probiotics. So this is just for you to think about planning ahead for after the 5 days. Now, when you are thinking about after the 5 days, these NutriMeals come in larger pouches. So you can get the individual little packets, or you can buy them in large pouches, and each pouch has 9 meals, and you have some flavor options. So wild strawberry, French vanilla, or Dutch chocolate. So each of these have 15 grams of protein, as we talked about before. But if you want to stay with the soy-free, dairy-free version, you would get the pouch of Nutrimil Free, which has 9 servings, or the individual servings are also available of Nutrimil Free. And these ones, if you remember, have 17 grams of plant protein. They're all gluten-free, but just one is dairy-free. The Nutrimil Free is dairy-free. So this is a fabulous program. Don't wait. There are so many amazing resources as part of this program for you to be successful. So getting started today, you can do anything in 5 days. You've got this. You can really make this a jump start to the new, healthier you that you have been seeking and searching for. And I hope you decide to take action and practice this fabulous 5-day program.